It's in that dick somewhere. Oh, here it is.
Yeah, fuck it. That's hilarious. So every time you're going to drive past there, now you're going to have memories, bro. That's what it is.
That is, isn't it? And on our bombshell,
It's happening.
tell you exactly what's happening.
I beat you to it then, 5 minutes.
You did, innit?
Bad excitement,
I
innit?
tell you exactly what's happening.
Yo,
Welcome to
tell
the
me what's
weekly update
happening.
video.
Yo, what I got on, Teach? Come
Tell
on.
you what I want. Your weekend starts here.
It does though. Happy weekend, innit? Maria, happy Friday.
Ave Maria. You may have noticed there wasn't a weekly update video last week. The reason for that is because the week before I put up a post on all the social media saying if we don't get 100 likes on this video, we won't do one next week. And we didn't get 100 likes on it, so I didn't do one next week. It had nothing to do with it.
Yeah, I was
being in
gonna
Scotland.
say.
Nothing to do with that. It was because we didn't get 100 likes on the video.
Yeah, exactly. Let's just forget Scotland, innit? You know, Mans was away for a bit of time, but you know, we're back, we're active.
So, on this subject now, I'm going to put it in this video so you can't ignore it now. 100 likes on it, and we'll do an update video next
pull out
week.
with it, come
you
on.
just pull out now, dickhead, innit, without
Santa,
indicating. Santa, baby. So, 100 likes, or you're not having one next week.
Yeah, and I will just say as well, yeah, I'm a bit bunged up. It's not the nasty C word. Don't worry, we're all good for that. Man was out partying a bit too hard up in Edinburgh. Up until the early hours, I haven't done that since I was a little youth, innit? And it's all had effects on me, innit? Voice and everything still haven't recovered from shouting all the music, innit? So, yeah, you know, just old man, really.
He's run down, innit? He's
Run down, I've done too much is what I've done, bro.
I'll fucking run him down.
Come on then, right, so what's the purpose of this video? Tell them what's
The
going on.
usual thing, innit? We do week come in, week gone, all that shit, and everything else we're doing. So, a few things. Let's mention Antisocial Society in Wales. Last weekend, I went there. He was in Scotland.
I was, though.
Took a picture of a boy with rubber for the thumbnail. It was a madness. Oh, I went in the drift car. It was awesome, right?
How was that? Good experience?
It was a tidy experience, and that was our first meet. I'm looking forward to more now.
Yes, there you go. You got a bit of content from that coming.
I got content from that.
What are you working on currently?
Currently, I am working on the night that Adam C went to the wrong meet. The one I said I was going to put up a couple of weeks ago.
Uncle Adam?
But I had to put up the Channel 4 one first.
Yeah,
and,
you know.
But that's what I'm working on. I'm on the number plates. I don't like it. I'm on the number plates. You almost get it by an RX-7 or something.
Can you see that?
Yeah.
Is that visible?
Yeah, and I've left in the bit after it where people are going, you almost got hit by that. And you go, yeah, man was...
Did I drop my beer though, innit? No, we could. Yeah, but
Probably shat himself.
Well,
Didn't drop his beer.
No, I was watching the car now, but don't forget, when you notice, when you're watching that through the screen of the camera, it's completely different to what's happening in front of you.
You're looking there trying to frame it, and all of a sudden, it hits you.
Yeah, exactly. But you know, well, big man, but I got moves in it. I moved out the way, kept the camera, I kept the beer, we all good. And I watched a video last week actually of someone getting hit when they were doing a bit of a donut, like, and his ski goes flying off, and I was thinking, do you know what? Yeah, probably would have ripped that car off, like it is. But
look at the video that went up, the Channel 4 video that went up earlier this week, right? I'm right there filming cars.
Yeah.
I'm not that pussy from CCC UK with his GoPro on a stick. I'm there with my arm.
Santa Lewis.
My arm, Santa Lewis. How are you doing, sweetheart? Looking forward to seeing you tomorrow. On that subject,
here we go, active.
We're going to London.
First thing for us, innit? First time.
100%. Ed Turner's UK. We go in there. They do in a meet with a number of locations. We go in there and see what happens.
Yo, that's going to be exciting, isn't it, though? Going into new ends
Completely
and stuff.
new ends.
Thank you.
And Lewis, man like Lewis from CCC Car Clubs Combined UK is getting a new car prior to then, and he's going to take us in that new car. So we can do his new car reveal before he does.
Yeah, there we go.
No, we won't. It'll take a minute to get the video done, innit? So no, you can have your reveal.
Oh, yo, since an update video as well.
Yeah.
Evo things, isn't it? We haven't chatted to them about my Evo.
Man's bought an Evo.
So I know they would have seen it already in some of the videos. If you haven't, go back and watch it. But that car, come on, let's be honest.
Got another one coming where we do the underbody all in this one video now, right? We do an underbody inspection up on the lift in AJ's. Yeah. We do a start-up, a cold start. We do a car wash. Yeah. We do a first impressions of driving
after feds.
After the mods, strut braces and other things that happen, like.
Yo, because this is the mad thing, innit? I got that car, I drove it straight to AJ's. So I'm hooning, don't need to, innit? Homely.
How's it goes to Christmas past then? How about homely?
Homely. But yeah, I drove that car straight there, dropped it off, and I changed so much stuff already straight away, and it's just like, it's blown my mind. And I've actually looked at the car and I thought, yeah, we've done that, we've done that, we've done that, we've done that. I said, but like, but I tell you what, our car goes like hell and it puts a smile on my face.
On Monday of next week, he went wide then, didn't he? On Monday
I was actually concentrating then.
It's either going to be the Bristol video, being the one Adam C should have gone to. You'll find out why. In fact, let's recap it, is it right?
Come on then, let's do it.
Overnight, a little while ago, there were 2 meets in Bristol with 2 different clubs running at the same time.
Yeah.
We went to one, Mr. C went to the other. Guess what? Adam C went to the wrong meet. I've seen his video, it went up this week. It's not up to standard, but it's not up to standard. Give us a shout next time and we'll let you in on the big boy stuff, innit?
True though, innit? We'll allow it, but so we're gonna give him a little bit what happens in that video?
Yeah, here's a little bit of what happens in that video.
Fire underneath, yeah, man.
Either that'll be up on Monday if I can get all the number plates done, and there's a lot of number plates. If I can't be done by Monday, you can have the video of his Evo.
You slipping, you better work harder, innit?
Don't make me rip that hat off your head and feed it to you, son.
Behave yourself, innit? I'm a delicate flower this time.
You're a dumb fuck is what you are.
Damn straight, yo, innit?
Look, somebody met that pole and went, yo, probably a fat girl trying to dance around it, wasn't it?
Was that what's happened to Grant's car? Did he reverse into that?
Oh yeah.
Joking, Grant boy.
Man like Grant up to business.
Oh, right, do you know what? You were a fucking dick. Your knee's in the way, innit? Jesus,
my knees where it always is, in between my lower leg and
man
my
wanted
leg.
to get a sport mode up in his family thing, innit? But no, remarkable scene. So
we are on the way to Ingvar again, innit?
Damn straight. Yo, this is going to give me a chance to do a little thing for Maria now, right?
You do this then, and then I'll say something after that about something.
Maria, right? This comes from my heart, innit? Right, you got 3 C's in life: choice, chance, and change. You must make the choice in life to make the chance, and if you want anything to change, something like that, innit? The lights went green, man, innit? I had to cut it off.
Now, the only change he had was the red light to the orange light to the green light. That was his change.
Yo, I feel like we can do that again.
No, we'll do it again in a second, right? Let me just say, you can do that in a second, right? Waste, man. Obviously, we're not driving in live traffic. This is all a simulation and special effects. Our videos are enhanced to give the appearance the cars are racing and doing burnouts, whereas they're not in real life. It's all After Effects.
Damn straight.
So, what I want to say is, on the 1st of January, because there might not be an update video next week, if you haven't given this video 100 likes, it's not going to be one next week. So I'll mention it now. On the 1st of January. So there we are. Apologies I had to cut that. That was
Let's just pretend we haven't totally driven a lap or a loop like that.
But anyway, look, 1st of January, we're going down to Exeter with Empire. Southwest, here we are. And we're going to a car cruise in Exeter. So, we're doing one in London on Saturday, and then on the 1st, we're going to Exeter. Look, we're going everywhere,
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, innit? That's what I mean.
Shalom, innit? Happy Easter.
Ah, bloody hell, innit? Right, let me
Park there.
Brother, I ain't scared of traffic wardens, bruv. What are they gonna do?
You are scared
if
of
they start issuing a bloody ticket, so all they gotta do is hop in a whip and drive it. They can't do shit.
Right, Jordan's parents, I've made him park here for you.
Sorry, I don't believe in shit
right,
like that,
do
bro.
Maria's comment now.
I feel like I might have written it down when it came from the great book, right? It might come wrong. You get 3 C's in life: choice, chance, and change. To make the choice in life, you have to take the chance if you want anything to change.
Right.
I wrote it down wrong. I fixed it, yeah?
That's twice now.
Right.
That's twice now.
Right.
We've had it wrong.
Do you know what?
Considering these pearls of wisdom come to him.
Right, it comes from the great book, innit? Now, you're talking negative, so I'm going to give you a negative one, right? The only disability in life is a negative attitude, yeah? Embrace life with a positive vibe. Wagwan. You know what I'm saying? I'm getting rid of these C's, innit? Because I can do some different C's. Something else, innit? We can't say
I was
that.
thinking car clubs combined when you said the 3 C's.
The 3 C's in life. I don't need Lewis
See,
in
Lois,
life, innit?
Lewis, look, Lois. It's not Superman yet, is it? Here we are, Lewis. See, I'm shouting you out all over, but everything's happening, isn't it?
Clark Kent, we done, bruv, innit? Let's go get some tea, bit of food and down Thames and we'll be good, innit?
Yeah.
You might have to blur some of that last bit, I don't know.
I don't know, innit? Whatever's happening is happening.
If there's been some bits in there now, innit?
Oh, also, depending on what happens, there might be a Christmas message on Christmas Day from us if we get it done.
Yo, right. all the oldies, yeah, will know you turn on and put the Queen's Speech on, yeah. I hate that shit. I used to
Lies.
as a kid.
Avoid the media.
Do you remember when you have to go and your gran would put the fucking Queen's Speech on? I used to hate it, innit? But
I don't think my gran ever did. My parents probably did because they thought they should.
Yeah, well, I'm not allowing it. Allow that.
Yeah.
I don't allow that. But yeah, we're coming in on a Christmas message, innit? No.
Anyway, look, we gotta go and get a wing one now.
Don't open the door as the car coming. You all sorts of fucked up. That's 100% not it. Yo, what go on, teach? We done?
I think it might have been.